Oh, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Welcome to this Facebook Live right here. So, my face look different. Cut the mustache off. Look like whatever. I don't know what the heck I'm saying. We got RandyTV right here. Say what's up. And we got, I'm gonna get it. And we got Dweezy right here. What's up?
What's up, boy?
All right. What y'all got to say? Nothing.
Cool.
All right. Hey, what you think about the decoration, bros? The everything else right here. I know my auntie gonna be watching this though, cause she ain't gonna recognize this place when she come here though. For my birthday, my auntie coming over here. She ain't gonna recognize this place, you know. The curtains and stuff. Especially this. The glass had broke off on that one. I can't believe that. At least I get to keep. Hey, what you think about this? RandyTV?
What?
About this thing up here. This thing right here.
Okay.
All right. But they had glass, you know. Yep, they had glass. I don't know what the hell I look like. What the hell do I look like? Muscatio? Huh? Do I look like Muscatio? Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know who Muscatio is. Do you know what that is, Randy? Dwayne, you know what that is? Muscatio. Huh? Oh, watch that. You want to play something?
See how you got all this stuff on? You know you got the TV on there, right?
Oh, yeah.
What?
Oh, I thought somebody was going to watch that, you know? But I'm going to turn it off eventually. Okay. All right, your bowling ball cantaloupe head.
Your bill gonna be high, boy. That's what I'm saying.
No, it's not. Oh, yes, it will, I guess, huh? It'll be your fault, RandyTV.
Alright, it's your fault. It's your house, dummy.
But it's your fault too, you know, cause you.
It's my fault. That's your house.
But you told me to cut it off.
If I tell you to burn this house down, you do it?
No.
Well then. Well, I'm gonna tell you what to do. Come on.
But you told me.
You got that TV over in that kitchen.
Well, all right, I will. Your box of Cracker Jacks. Box of Cracker Jacks. But anyway, y'all, I better stop this tape because Randy getting on my nerves. You get on my nerves? No? I guess y'all got nothing to say, huh? All right, I guess I have nothing to say because he getting on my nerves.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Brian, I hope you ain't recorded other things.
Well, I recorded.
I saw you on live, bro.
All right.